In this video, we'll walk through an entire country estate in northern Italy. The grounds, the ground floor, the bedrooms upstairs, and one part of the property you don't see on many houses. It sits in the small village of Monte, in the hills of Piedmont, just outside the town of Valenza. The main house was built in the late 1700s, and the whole property covers around 1,500 square meters, with another 5,000 square meters of garden and land around it. It's a quiet spot, but not an isolated one. The village square is right outside the main gate. The asking price is 900,000 euros. There are three parts to this property. The main house, 480 square meters, fully restored, a caretaker's lodge, and a group of outbuildings around 450 square meters, which still need renovation. There are also two ways in, the main entrance with a large gate opening onto the village square and a second entrance off the street. Valenza is 7 kilometers away, Alessandria 20, Milan 85, and Genoa and Turin are both about 100. Outside the house, there's a terrace with an outdoor kitchen set up for eating and cooking in the open air. Inside, the ground floor starts with a large kitchen and tavern room. It has a big open fireplace and a traditional wood-burning oven. From there, you move into the living areas. There are 3 separate living rooms on this floor, plus a bathroom and a technical room for the boiler. The house is sold partly furnished, so a good part of what you're seeing stays with it. A word about the area. Monte is a hill village with origins in the 14th century, sitting between the flat Po Valley and the Monferrato Hills. The area is known for its 2 sulfur springs, Sanatrix and Angelica, further down the valley. They're now part of a larger tourist site with thermal baths, a park, swimming pools, a zoo, a hotel, and a restaurant. Two things really stand out inside. The first is the decoration. The interiors are covered in frescoes, hand-painted walls and ceilings throughout the house. The second is the fireplaces. There are 8 of them across the property, all in marble and stone. And underneath in the basement, there's a series of large vaulted cellars dating back to the late 1700s. Upstairs on the first floor, there are 3 bedrooms, and each one has its own bathroom. Next to them, there's an extra adjoining room, which can be used either as a walk-in wardrobe or as a small single bedroom. The same floor also has a large study and a laundry room. All the buildings on the estate have been structurally consolidated and restored. The main house has full electrical and plumbing systems and its own natural gas heating, independent from any shared system. Now what you could do with it. The property has real historical and architectural value, but it is not listed by the Heritage Authority, which means fewer restrictions than you'd normally expect on a house this old. Everything is in order with the town hall, and the permits allow for a swimming pool, for converting the outbuildings into living space, and for adding around 380 square meters of new build. And last, the private chapel, restored along with the rest of the estate. Out in the garden, there's also a restored nymphaeum, an old fountain house set into the grounds. If you're interested in this property, there's a form linked in the description below. Fill it in and we'll get back to you. And if you'd like to see more homes like this one from around the world, subscribe to the channel.